Look at what we have here. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. This is a tribute to a Daytona. It's a genuine Charger, factory born, plum crazy purple, white interior car, ground up restored. Just look at this thing. It is hot. The wheels, the stance, the colors, it is killer. I love this car. 440 motor, air conditioning. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Matter of fact, if you can scan this QR code, it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So Dodge was trying to win races. They were trying to make the car faster, and they just couldn't get any more horsepower out of the engine. What they did was design the aerodynamics, which brought it up to the 200-mile-an-hour range. And this car has all those features on it. You can't tell it from a real Daytona. And just look at it. It is sharp. This is a car you're going to want to go to car shows with, or go get ice cream, or show your friends. Just a beautiful, stunning car. I love it. So it's all absolutely straight. This big roof panel. Part of the aerodynamic package was this flush rear window. A regular Charger, the window would be sunk in. Has this filler plug here. Shortened trunk lid. It's all for the aerodynamics. And all this is absolutely clean, straight, no issues. It's a metal wing. I've seen pictures. I've seen people in person sitting on those. The supports go right through inside. Quarter panels are absolutely straight. Matter of fact, the whole side of the car is like a mirror. This whole area going up the quarters, all down here at the bottom. There is an outward, like a little star here, some hairline cracks. Something dented it from the inside out. The dent isn't there, but there are some cracks in the paint. But all this is fantastic. Even down here, real low. Underneath is clean. The door opened easily, shuts real nicely. Now it has these scoops on top of the fenders. There were stories that they cut a hole in there so you lower the car and the tire would go up in there was the purpose for those. Hood pins, and then of course the famous aerodynamic nose up here with the pop-up headlights. And the body is outstanding. Everywhere you look, everything lines up nice, everything fits beautifully, all clean, way down to the bottom, beautiful gaps. And again, it has the original fender tag. It's a factory plum crazy purple with white interior. What a combination that is, and it was born that way. The purple metallic paint is laid out evenly. It's all, the metallics are laid out real nice, and it's polished smooth like glass. And then they have this white Daytona stripe in the spoiler. What a killer combination. We have LED taillights back here, light up nice and bright. This whole tail panel is beautiful. All the chrome, the reverse lights, all looks restored. Has the racing style pop-up gas cap. That's a new rear window. The stainless moldings look new. All the moldings are either new or they're restored. The emblems, all this is polished and straight. Door handles, has mirrors on both sides. This is also part of the Daytona. This cover made it aerodynamic. Without that cover, you'd have two pieces of trim there, and that just made it more aerodynamic. New windshield with new gasket. The Magnum 500s are 15-inch, wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, extra wide in back. The stance, the tire size is just right on this car. It has the racing hood pins, has a little spoiler underneath, has this mesh metal grille. The Superbirds don't have that, just the Daytona. The rubber seal's real nice. It all fits real nicely. Correct antenna. I love this car. Let's keep it going. Let's open it up, see inside, and see that engine. It's a pretty long car, not a lot of room in here, but let's see inside the trunk. So the bottom of the trunk lid, look how beautifully it's painted. It has the stickers. And the jam is painted just as nicely. It has new weather strip. Looks like it has a trunk light somewhere. And then inside's completely restored real nicely, all clean metal. It's painted. Has a BF Goodrich tire with a painted rim. Complete jack assembly. and a scissors jack. Why are there two jacks? See if you can let me know in the comments. Got the new mat, got the covers. Everything in here is clean and complete, beautiful. Real nice trunk compartment. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. You don't miss one of these great cars. Door jambs are painted beautifully. The latches look new. And again, according to the fender tag, that looks to be the original. It's a factory-born white interior. Reproduction door panels with the matte pockets. The white metal's painted real nicely. When we get inside here, the whole instrument panel, the vents, the knobs, all this looks like it's redone. Quartz movement in the clock. Looks like the gauges have been replaced. They all look really nice. Dash pad's probably new. Does have a stereo. New AC vents, working light. All this is clean, fits nice. Nice kick panels, real nice carpet. And then this is bucket seats. It's not a bench seat. And this is called the buddy cushion. The third person could sit there. That's what they did back then. Or you got real nice comfy armrest. I'll take an armrest any day. The seats feel like they've been rebuilt. See how firm they are? And reupholstered. Same thing back here. Nice fresh carpet. Wall to wall, it's redone. Has factory seat belts. All beautiful white. Has the big shelf back there. It's all Daytona stuff because the window goes back further. So you got that big long shelf. You got a white perforated headliner. Working dome light. Visors look new. The mirror looks real nice. Has an original steering wheel. This is a really nice interior, and again, the white. I just love it. I really do. I'm just super excited and stoked about this car. The purple with the white, the stance, the wheels, the white wing, just awesome. Here we go. Check out that motor compartment. It is a correct 440 motor, 375 horsepower, all restored, all looks stock. Does have an Edelbrock carb with an electric choke. The correct air cleaner, correct manifolds, even reproduction spark plug wires. Firewall, the whole engine bay is painted beautifully. All nice purple. This is the washer bottle. Yep, washer bottle. Horns look fresh. Radiators painted gloss black. It has some reproduction hoses and clamps. It is a factory air-conditioned car. It is upgraded with a new system. There's also an electric fan in front of the radiator we can't see. It has power steering, battery secured, and has a disconnect. Here's the original fender tag, and the FC7, that's for the purple. I forget which one is the white interior. I decoded it myself. And just look at how nice and clean everything is. Even underside of the hood. Got the turn signals built in. You got the rubber flap here. Yeah, real nice. Now Michael gets the fun job of showing you how it drives.
Alright everybody, I must have died and gone to Mopar heaven. I tell you, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. And it seems like it runs good too. Got a 440 under the hood. Nice mellow note to the exhaust, but still a little rumble there. Started right up easily for me. Of course, that 727 torque flight automatic transmission. Shifting real nice. In fact, didn't even notice it shifting. Suspension feels good, going over all the bumps and cracks in the road there. No rattles or clunks or squeaks. Seems to be a really well put together vehicle. And it also has air conditioning as well as power steering and power disc brakes too. High back bucket seats feel fantastic, and then it's really great to have this armrest here as well. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing about 200 miles an hour. But we did get it up to over 60 though. I just eased into it. More than enough power there. And feels great. Revs out real nice. Let's see how she goes down the road there. Very well set up car. Very nice alignment on it. And this one's just done right from top to bottom. Go ahead and check out pictures of the undercarriage and all the goodies on our website, and contact our sales department if you'd like to come take it for a test drive yourself. You're always welcome here.
Underneath, the car is restored very nicely too. All the steering, suspension looks fresh front and back. It has a factory type exhaust system with the crossover, factory type mufflers, the correct chrome square tips coming out the back. The fuel system looks like that's been replaced, even the tank. I wanted to mention, forget the name of it, but it says that clear over it, over the front nose to prevent from getting rock chips on it. And there is a little mild imperfection right there, a little touch up or something on the paint. But getting back to underneath, the brakes is disc in front, the lines, the hoses, they all look fresh. The e-brake is all hooked up. Everything looks real nice and proper. When you look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, has a high torque starter. The torque flight automatic transmission looks fresh. The drive shaft is rebuilt. The rear end has an aluminum housing, and then the rest of it is gloss black, so that looks real nice and fresh. It's been through our service. The car runs and drives beautifully. Has the modern air conditioning, LED taillights. Just a great car to get in and just go enjoy yourself with, and you are going to get so much attention. It's going to be awesome. A good part of the car is painted the purple underneath, the floors, the frame rails. Even from the factory, they undercoated certain sections of it. The center section's mostly undercoat on this one, and it does have frame rails welded in front to back. Helps prevent body twist. But there you go. There's the star of the show right there. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get your purple and white Daytona delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Don't miss this one if you like it. There won't be another one. Thanks for watching.